I welcome you all. In this video, we are going to see what is power nap, whether it is required or not, how to nap effectively. Before seeing the answer of all these questions, if you have not yet subscribed our channel, first subscribe and click the bell button next to it so that you don't miss any of our videos. Normally, after having a lunch, everybody used to feel some drowsy, feel to sleep, whether you can sleep or not. Somebody will think that if I am sleeping, I will not get sleep in the night. It's not so. You can sleep. It's good for health. But how long you have to sleep, that is very important. The maximum you can sleep only 20 minutes. If you are sleeping more than that, you may enter into the stage of deep sleep. First you will see, if you are sleeping only up to 30 minutes, if you are sleeping 30 minutes, you will be very active. After getting up from that power nap, you will be very active, energetic, your memory power will increase and your creativity also will increase. If you happen to sleep more than 30 minutes or up to 60 minutes, after getting up from bed, you will be very groggy, you will be very drowsy, feeling very lazy. Of course, your decision making power will be improved. But it is not a good idea to sleep in the daytime more than 30 minutes. Suppose you are sleeping more than 60 minutes, up to 1.5 hour, that is 90 minutes. Here also you will be very groggy. In this case, you will be going to even deep sleep stage. As we know that once you have that deep sleep in a daytime, in the night time you will not get sleep. So if you are sleeping more hours, that is 1 hour or 1.5 hour, you will not get sleep in the night. So your sleeping pattern will be affected. That will affect the hormone production in your body. So over a period of time, you will be having so many other complications. So if you want to sleep in the daytime, you can go only 20 minutes power nap. How to get up after 20 minutes? There are two ways. Either you can have alarm, but that clock should be away from your hand. You have to get up from bed and go and switch off. The second one is you can have coffee. If you are feeling sleepy, have a cup of coffee and go to bed and sleep. For the coffee to work in your body, it takes approximately 20 minutes. By the time you can have sleep, then coffee will wake you after 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, you will be having high energetic level. Your creativity also will be increased. So if you want to go for a nap, go only for 20 minutes. That will give more benefits to our body. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.
Comment this video, subscribe our channel to get our updates.